Long essay on how are animals beneficial for us. 1050 words. Introduction. Our planet Earth consists of several living organisms that are mainly grouped under two categories. The one category is of plants and the second of animals. It is quite surprising to learn that human beings are also a part of the animal kingdom, but they differ due to their exceptional qualities in them. Plants, animals, and human beings are equally important on this planet and for supporting the ecosystem. Animals, essential for the survival of human beings. The word animals brings the images of several animals in front of our eyes. Some of these might be the ones that we have seen in reality in the nearby areas, while others in books and movies only. The existence of animals on this planet is since the evolution of human beings. They have accompanied human beings since long when life came into existence on this earth. There are different varieties of animals present on this earth. They are grouped according to their characteristics. The animals form an important part of the biotic components of the ecosystem. Every species of animals are equally important, along with other biotic components for maintaining the equilibrium of the ecosystem. The plants, animals, and human beings are interdependent on each other for their survival. The absence of any one of them would create an imbalance in nature. This will further become a great issue for the existence of other living beings. How are animals beneficial for us? We cannot deny the importance of animals in our life. Isn't it true? They have been providing us with food, shelter, companionship, entertainment, etc. Although we do not recognize the importance of different animals unless we read about them, but it is true that they have been playing a major role in the survival of human beings for since long. The different ways in which the animals are useful to us are enlisted below. They act as best companions in form of pets. Animals have been the companions of human beings since the time of early man. The loyalty of animals made them all-time favorite companions of human beings. Today also we can see animals, especially dogs, living along with the people in the villages. Many of us love animals and keep them as pets in our houses. The animals like dogs, cats, rabbits, mice, etc. can be kept as pets. They are intelligent enough and can understand the emotions of human beings. Therefore it can be said that animals are useful to us as our companions or friends. It is because of the developments and technological advancements that are creating a boundary between us and the natural world with animals. Used for transportation. Animals have been used by human beings to reducing their workloads, either in farm fields or to carry loads. The animals like oxen, camels, horses, elephants, donkeys are used by us to carry loads and perform different tasks that make the work easier for us. They are thus referred to as beasts of burden. They are used as an important means of transport in mountainous or desert areas. Nowadays the development of different types of machines has reduced the work of animals, but still, they are being used by people in different parts of the world. Provides us clothing materials. Skin and fur of many animals having fur like sheep, goats, minks, foxes, buffaloes, kangaroos, etc. are used to make leather and woolen clothes. We also obtain silk fiber from animals that are further woven into fine clothing material. Animals provide us food and meat. Since ancient times man has been domesticating animals like cows, goats, sheep, buffaloes, etc. for getting milk and meat. They also helped people in doing other farm works along with giving milk. Milk is an important constituent of a healthy diet, and that too is provided to us by animals. This indicates the benefits that animals provide to us. Used for guarding and entertainment. Dog is considered the most loyal to human beings in ages. People mostly keep dogs as their pets as dogs are good at guarding their masters. They help in maintaining the security of the place at any cost. Many animals like bears, monkeys, lions, dogs, etc. are trained to provide us entertainment by dancing or showing tricks in circuses or zoos. Apart from these, animals like dogs are trained and used in solving different criminal cases. There are some animals that are also used by the farmers in farming to get rid of certain pests that may destroy crops. In this way, we can observe that animals are really beneficial to us in our life. Their existence in the ecosystem is very essential for our survival. Are the activities of human being a major cause of the extinction of animals? The answer to this question is absolutely yes. We human beings have forgotten that there are other creatures also living on this earth. They too have an equal share of the resources present on the earth. But it's saddening that animals are devoid of their habitats because of the immense greed of human beings. Our several activities have led to the habitat destruction of different species of animals. This makes them prone to become extinct or endangered species. We cannot imagine our life without animals. Every living organism on this earth has its distinct role, and that is most important for maintaining the food chain and equilibrium in the ecosystem. It is difficult to imagine the existence of life without the presence of animals, but the present scenario is totally indicating the same. We human beings need to realize our mistakes or it shall be too late. Recently we have been experiencing the outbreak of the pandemic COVID-19, and that is also said to be one of the punishments to human beings for their negligence towards nature and its creatures. Conclusion. The different varieties of animals are important for us in different ways. Apart from several benefits that we obtain from the animals, they also teach us important lessons of life like respect, compassion, teamwork, smart work, etc. The main issue lies in the protection of the animals from becoming endangered or extinct. It is our responsibility to protect the animals and help in creating the earth as a safe place for their survival. Thanks for watching this video. Please help me to click on my YouTube channel, like, share, comment on my video to see daily uploading.